we visited Clifton Hill in Niagara Falls, Ontario. You will see a good example of what life is like in a wheelchair, as the human interactions are different. People see right through you. You are a ghost. It's very interesting. I'm sorry I can't have the original soundtrack, but all the music playing in the background would have got me a copyright strike. Also, I doubled the speed on this to make it go by a little quicker. Please enjoy Clifton Hill. It was a good experience with good handicap access.